Hey guys, in this video I will show you the best way to create a funnel form in WordPress. Many people overcomplicate funnel forms while others prefer a straightforward approach. Let me introduce you to the best and most effective funnel form I've ever found. It's gonna blow your mind, so stay tuned. This plugin called Funnelforms, and it's perfect for any website in any niche. Recruitment companies, B2B businesses, coaches, or any local business. It's extremely effective. So this is the plugin. It calls Funnelforms. They have free and the pro version. If you use the link in my bio, you will get 30-day free trial on the pro version. Here, if you go to the test live, we will have an overview on how the plugin works and how it looks like. So for example, you have here the single selection where people only can select one option. You have the multiple selection. Also, you have a date question. Your leads or your visitors can also pick a specific date. You have a slider question. You can move it left and right to specify a date or a budget. You have the HTML content question. Also, appointment booking question. It's kind of like Calendly, where you pick up a date and a specific time for a discovery call or a sales call. And you can also insert your address. For example, I'm going to insert a random address, this address exactly, and it shows you in real time. You can also zoom in or zoom out. You go to next. You have also file upload question. You have a drop down and you have a normal text and a large text. So it's a great plugin. However, all these features are only in the pro version. There is some of them in the free version. We're gonna discover now what are the features that we can use in the free version and what are the features that we can use in the pro version. Now, I will show you real life examples that I created using this amazing funnel. So let's start with the first website. They rent out construction machines. So as you can see, the first thing is the planned work in high. So if you have a construction site that is 10 meter high, you can insert 10 meter. And then you have the rental period, I would say 1 week. And then you have the ability to choose diesel, hybrid, or electric. Let's choose hybrid and then choose the wanted machine. So in my case, I will choose this scissor lift. And last thing, you have to insert all of your information in this contact form. So name, email, phone number, company, and all the other stuff. After you fill this out, you just click at submit form, and then all the leads is going to be redirected to the WordPress dashboard. So as you can see, here are all the leads. Now, I will show you how to install and use this funnel form. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to plugins and then add new plugin. In the search bar, insert funnel forms. Now you will see this interactive contact form and multi-step form builder. Install it and then activate it. It has 2,000 users, so it's quite new plugin. Never miss an important update. Allow and continue. It's gonna activate it. So here is an overview about this plugin. As you can see, here are leads, questions, contact forms, and forms. So these are the 4 things that we need. All the other things are in the pro version, which is appointment events, calculations, import and export, funnel forms AI, and all the other stuff. So let's head to questions. So once you are in the questions section, click the plus icon in the left corner. And then here, insert your first question. So for me, as a web designer, my first question is going to be, are you an individual or a company? And paste it here, to an individual, then select the single selection here. The first answer is individual, and the second answer should be company. You are also able to add an image or select an icon. For me, I think images are more authentic and better, but for most cases or for other cases, icons could be the better choice. So for the video purposes, we're gonna select random icons. Company, individual, this one. After you're done with your first question, click save, and then add the new question. So the second question in my case is, which services are you interested in? So I'm going to select which services are you interested in, and then insert the multiple selection. So the first service is going to be, of course, web design. The second one is SEO. And the third one could be website audit. And let's select random icons. For the SEO, for the SEO, I can select an image. Okay, I look handsome actually in this image. So for the web design, I'm gonna select another image, this one. I think it looks great. Don't you think so? Okay, so for now we're done with the second question, click save. For the third question, click add new question. In my case, it's gonna be, what's your budget? This is the most important question, what you like. So for this question, we're gonna add a text row here. And then in the placeholder, you can say, you can put anything, to be honest. And then you can allow it only for text, allow numbers only, allow date only, and you can also make it a required or not required field. Once you're done, click save and head to contact forms. Click the plus icon and let's call it web design form. And then here you have name, email, and phone number. You can also add other things such as postal code. So let's add this text and then add an icon to it. Pin here. Boom. And then you can call it postal code. Change the ID to postal and we're good to go. Click save. Then you will see an error message. Click on settings. See what's the error. Okay, we didn't insert the recipient email. I'll insert my email address. Good, the sender image is Muhammad. That's fine. Fine, new lead. Okay, name, email, postal is here. So this is all the HTML boxes. And this is how your message will look like. Now, when someone fill out this form, you will get instantly notified via email. And this is how it will look like. The name, email, phone number, postal code, checkbox, and the answers. So you can here click save. So as you can see, there is an error when saving. And the error is that we didn't give it a backend name. So previously we give it a front end name and now we have to give it a backend name. That's not going to be previewed by the clients or the users. So we can call it web design backend. After that, click on save. Now it's saved successfully. Next thing, hover over the funnel forms and click forms. This is going to be the last step and the most exciting step. Click the plus icon. Now, after that, here you have your multi-step form or your multi-step funnel form. It starts here. As your first question, are you individual or a company? Then connect the dots. The second question is, which services are you interested in? You can also here connect the dots. In case you have a different question for each answer, then insert the two questions. And for example, if the user selected an individual, they're going to be redirected to this question. And if they selected the company, they're going to be redirected to this question. But in our case, we have only one question. So we're going to connect the dots. The last thing is, what's your budget? Connect them here. And then afterwards, we should insert the web design backend, which is our funnel form. And then once they fill out the form, they're going to be redirected to a specific page. So for example, you have a thank you page that you want your leads or your potential clients to be redirected to after filling out the forms. You can do it. In my case, I will just only insert my home page and I will open it in a new page. After that, you click save. Then you will find this error message. Click design and settings. Here you can edit everything. Fonts, colors, whatever wanted. So general settings, you can give it a name here. Okay. So let's give it funnel multi-step form. This is in the back end and here's in the front end. And you can also change the language. So in my case, it's German, but for the video purposes, we're gonna select English. Click save. And then click design settings. So here you have next step and you have back. So let's select so here you can change the colors, you can change the bottom text, you can change the font and all the other stuff. For this color, we're gonna keep it as red in my case. And then for the button, you can click next. Oh, for the previous step, we're gonna click back. And for the next step, we're gonna click next. Click save. You can also insert custom colors if you want, the font size, the border radius. I like to make it at 30. And then you have the contact form. You can also upload your own fonts. So let's show a preview here. So this is how it will look like. Funnel multi-step form, so individual, SEO, and web design, website audit as well. So next, and then what's your budget? My budget is 200, so I'm not the ideal customer. And here I should fill out the form, click accept, and then funnel or submit form. Thank you, the form was successfully sent. Now I'm gonna be redirected to the homepage. That's not actually the homepage. There is a mistake with the link. Once we are done setting up the funnel form, we can go to forms, and then you will see this short code. Just copy this short code and paste it in your specific page. In my case, that would be the home page. I use Elementor. If you're not using Elementor, I think you're missing out. I'm using Elementor Pro. I think it's the best page builder out there. If you want to get Elementor Pro in a discount, click the link in the bio. I will get a small commission. So here, click the plus icon. You can look for short code. Okay, what did just happen? No. I want it to be here. Short code. Just move it here, and then you just paste it and click apply, and then publish. Then click preview changes. As you can see here is the form. Individual, SEO, next, budget 12. You can fill them, accept, submit form. Form is successfully submitted. Yeah, and that's it. I think we are being redirected to the wrong page. I don't know why, but all you need to do is go to the forms here and go to here. I think I should add the whole link. https://.com, exactly, save it. And that's it, guys. I hope you got value from this video. It's my first video on YouTube, so I would really appreciate if you leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to use my links below to get the pro version and also to get Elementor Pro in a discount. See you guys in the next video. Peace.